Hey guys, so like, again, don't mind the cringy lighting, but like, we decided we'd do like the 1 hour handcuff challenge, sort of, where we like do things that we get told to do. And if you want to see the 24-hour handcuff challenge, comment down below and like, and we'll do it, won't we? Sure.
You guys have to go out and play basketball for a couple seconds.
I don't have a basketball.
Then use that ball right there.
Okay. Watch these. Look, it's One Direction. I love them boys. It's really flat.
I can't bounce with my left hand.
It'd help if it wasn't flat. Can I play soccer? No. Get out of here! Guys, we have to go for a jog. Don't mind the shaky,
I don't have.
video recording
But
thing.
where are we going?
That way.
Out.
To the road and back. Ready? Go. I have no shoes on. We
Thanks.
both have no shoes on. There's our jog. This really hurts my wrist.
Thanks.
So we're gonna try and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We'll see how that goes. Ow. It gets like stuck. I'm only making a half sandwich.
Okay. I need a knife.
It's underneath you.
Right here.
Yeah.
Do you need a spoon for the jelly, or we can use
No,
the
use a
jelly?
knife. You want to open a jelly and also
This isn't that bad, actually.
Did you hold the container?
Smells like elementary school.
Why elementary school?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter hates you. Yum. What are you doing? I'm already not hungry. I don't want it.
I'm sorry about
Fork. This is delicious.
I can't get it.
I need a paper towel.
There's jelly.
That's why I need a paper towel.
Excuse me, I need a knife.
I need your hand. What was holding the top of that gonna do?
I don't know.
I can't. You're literally gonna see my butt. It's not gonna work. Okay, we'll just not use the bathroom. It hurts.
It's my charger.
It's my charger.
I had to get the charger.
You said you had to get my charger.
Okay, now what?
Stop holding it.
Come on.
Where are we going?
I don't
I
know.
think it's Niall.
Whatever Kimmy tells us to do. I'm brushing my hair.
You have to take it down.
Huh?
You have to take it down.
Why? I don't want to. Here you go. You can brush your hair.
How about I give myself a tattoo?
I want a tattoo.
I want
Okay, we can do it.
Like a fake one?
Yeah,
Like
then you
those-
put this liquid band-aid over it and it stays on.
Let's do it.
I want a tattoo.
Okay. Can we just, is this video over, please? Okay, so like it's been like what 20 minutes and we give up. So like undo us.
It's not working.
Okay. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.